Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Medicinal Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss and learn about the synthesis of Piroxicam. Another drug belongs to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or analgesic. Here is the structural representation of Piroxicam. It is a complex structure, so you people have to understand it. Now let's discuss about the steps involved in the synthesis of Piroxicam. I will try to make it easier for you people, so it would help you go through your exams. So here is the first compound that will undergo reaction. The name is written over here, and along with the methyl iodide, the presence of sodium hydroxide, it will yield the second derivative of methyl 4 hydroxy 3,4-dihydrobenzothiazine derivative. Okay, then this undergoes further reaction with 2-aminopyridine, and the heat is provided, so it will eventually yield the Piroxicam. Thank you. Keep subscribing me. Allah Hafiz.